Hi, I'm John Smith, and you're watching me on Russ Cam. My name is John Smith. I'm a developer for a large entertainment company here in town, and I'm also the Vice President of ONETUG, supporting Esteban and 4 of the board members here in Orlando, trying to build up Orlando and put us back on the map.
GrapeCity's very happy to be a sponsor here. You guys just do a great job every year.
We're glad GrapeCity is part of this event. The difference this year was we had 2 sponsors that showed up and paid to be here, and they are actually here hiring people for positions they have within their company.
Wow.
So they're not development companies, they don't have large software shops, or they don't develop products, but they're looking for strong, talented developers, and they came here looking for them. So it says a lot about Orlando, it says a lot about our event, and the quality of developers and the quality of our community that we have here. Some of the vendors have already stepped up and said, we want to be a part of this next year. How do we sign up right now?
You see that?
If you're not aware, we launched the latest application, MLB Pro 12.
Yeah.
It's the top download app of the week. It's a hot item.
Wow, congratulations!
If you're a baseball fan, you must get it. It's made by the Neuralnet guys who only make quality products.
That's right.
So there you go. Download MLB Pro 12 for free on the Windows Phone Marketplace exclusive.
And not only that, we got NHL Pro, NBA Pro,
and sooner we're gonna get NFL Pro 13 for the Windows 7 and Windows 8.
All right, man, that's great.
And you must get GrapeCity components if you're a developer.
That's it.
Also GrapeCity components.
That's it.
ActiveReports.
Yeah, ActiveReports, baby. You got it.
I'm a software architect and founder of Codemasters International.
Oh, Codemasters. That sounds like a great organization.
Yeah, Codemasters International, what we have is we have several teams of remotely located best talented people in Russia, in Ukraine. And what we do, we develop software for clients here, and we also have presence here as well as in Bay Area.
Okay.
And the projects we do are related to the most innovative technologies, which CodeCamp is all about.
That's right. What do you think of this Code Camp, huh? Here in Orlando?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I love CodeCamp. It's my second time I have the honor to present here.
Yeah.
And my presentations are about SQL Azure. And as you see, SQL Azure, Windows Azure is kind of new hot buzzword.
Yeah.
And today I spoke about how can you scale your database in the cloud using SQL Azure Federation.
Oh wow.
And I'm glad that I met so many familiar faces, from last year.
Yeah.
All the organizers are the same, coolest people. The speakers, the key speakers, excellent guys. I had a very good impression from the speakers last year, and this year, it's even better, and I hope that next year it'll be even better.
Awesome, man.
My name is Jose Chinchilla. I'm a certified database administrator and business intelligence developer, data architect. I own my own company called Agile Bay, where we specialize in data warehouse architecture, business intelligence solutions, master data management, and data quality frameworks. So I am also the business intelligence chapter user group leader in Tampa Bay, where every year we put together 2 events, which one is the SQL Server, SQL Saturday, and the other one is a SQL Server with a BI intelligence focused SQL Saturday. I did an overview of the business intelligence semantic model that is available now in SQL Server 2012. So just explained, what are the different features, tools where you can develop a business intelligence semantic model, like with the Excel Power Pivot add-in, and also with the SQL Server data tools. And did an overview of the new ad hoc reporting tool available through SharePoint called Power Review.
What was one of the questions you got in your session?
So one of the questions was, which was very interesting, very important, is when you do a semantic model in Excel, how do you refresh the data? So I explained about 2 options. One is manually through just a button. It's called the refresh data, and also through SharePoint, where you can deploy the Excel Power Pivot workbook and actually manage a automatic refresh schedule through SharePoint.
Cool.
So that was a very important question that everybody liked about.
My name is Greg Leonardo. I'm the founder and CEO of Webinology.
Yay!
Exactly. and I'm here doing a talk on NBC.
Oh, baby. Someone get a close-up of that right there. The new shirt right there, Webinology. So when did you get that going?
Back in December. Actually just rolled it forward this year and kicked it off full-time probably about a month ago.
Awesome. Best of luck, man. Turning dreams into software. That is a great logo catchphrase. I love it. I love it.
And I'm glad the Russ Cam has taken off.
And I know it. See, thanks in part to you back at a certain Tampa hockey game in episode 2. When you said, Russ, the first time I read that email, I wasn't sure. Was it Russ Cam? Or
Russ Cam.
Yeah, that's that was fun.
This episode of Russ Cam is brought to you by ActiveReports from GrapeCity PowerTools.
Surfing the web?
Yeah, you ever tried to surf the web on your phone?
It's a little small.
Especially when you're looking at a big list like the new feature list for ActiveReports 6.
Oh yeah.
We've been using it for 15 years. The coolest new feature is the new Silverlight Report Viewer. What's cool about it, of course, it's both native Silverlight for printing, but it's also got PDF support, so that really minimizes the amount of data that has to come over the wire. ActiveReports from GrapeCity PowerTools.
Smarter components for smarter developers.
Go to gvtv.gcpowertools.com, your online source for developer news. Plus, follow us on Twitter and Facebook.
All right, so why don't we start with having you come on in. That's former Russ Cam interviewees right there.
I think that the Liam Fitzpatrick is the coolest place in Orlando.
That's good. I'm glad we got that on Russ Cam. It's official. That's the spot. That's it.
Yeah,
Forget Disney World. Forget downtown Disney. Leopet, that's the one. Another, wait a minute. We got a peanut gallery over here.
Yes.
Oh, geez. Oh, yeah. Hi. You give me that Russ Cam yell, will you?
Russ Cam!
Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about.
That was pretty good.
Hey, Josh. How you doing?
Jose.
Oh.
Jose.
Oh, my God. I did it again, Jose. You mentioned Code Zero? What's that?
Coke Zero.
Oh, Coke Zero. Sorry about that. Not Code Zero. I'm missing something here. Is something new again?
Project for a new product for having for ONETUG. That's a catchy name.
Yeah, see, Code Zero. We gotta come up with something. We got the name now.
Yes.
We gotta figure out what to do with that. So.
Hi, I'm Greg Leonardo, and you're watching Russ Cam.
Hi, I'm Alex, and you are watching Russ Cam.
Hi, I'm Jose, and you're watching Russ Cam.
Yeah, baby. Nice job. Yeah, that's it. That's what I want to hear.